Hey Maya, what does a cactus wear to a wedding?
I don't know.
A cacti.
I don't get it. Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to our Kid TV. Today we're going to draw a cactus. Let's get started. Let's get started. First we're going to start by drawing an upside down U shape at the top of the paper. And we want to make the little...
Am I like this?
That's really tiny. Okay, and we want to make this side the same side. Let's do. Next, we're gonna start by drawing like a little U, but curving a little bit. Next, we're gonna draw a U, but curving a little bit, so it could look like a cactus. Next, we do it on the same side. And then we draw a U shape under it, but just do a line under a little bit. Next, we're gonna draw little cactus spikes by drawing just kind of little tiny lines.
Am I doing it right, Maya?
Mm-hmm. And make it all around the body.
Also add spikes inside the body like Maya is. And don't forget to leave space for the eyes. Right there.
Okay, next we're gonna draw its eyes by drawing two circles and draw two circles inside of it. One big on the top and the other little on the bottom.
And color the rest in.
You could use a Sharpie or you could use colored markers. Either one is good, but the only thing is you have to use a black marker.
Or if you're making like a poison cactus, you could use any other color.
Yeah. Next we're gonna draw its smile right here in between its eyes.
I like to, I'm getting into the habit of doing this.
Next,
and now we're going to add eyelashes. If you're making a girl.
You could add eyelashes and you could also not. And make sure to make the inside of the eyes really covered with black. So we're gonna start by doing a little flower on top. You could do it or you could either skip. Next, we're going to color. You could pause the video to copy our colors
At the end, once we're done coloring, because we're going to pass forward.
So let's get started.
On coloring, not the whole thing again. That would be tragic. Tragic, I tell you, tragic.
No. Hope you had fun. Let us know in the comments below what you want us to draw next. And don't forget to subscribe and keep making art.